Oma.
Chiamaka.
It's not nice, though. Eh? So you went to the stream without calling me?
I am sorry. My mother needed the water urgently, so I had to hurry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, be going. I'll come to your house later. I want to go and get something.
It's alright. I'll be expecting you.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, see you later.
Bye.
You know,
Nneka, why did you break the water pot I came back from the stream with? How could you be so wicked?
Is it your water pot?
Yes, it's mine!
It's my mother's water
It's my mother's water pot!
It's my mother's own! And I've warned you so
You
many times!
Are you mad? You mad? I'm warning you! Stay away from me! You always talk about children in this house! Don't come in! Don't come in!
This will be the last time you both will be fighting in this house. Any day it happens again, whoever is at fault will be made to weed the farm 4 market days uninterrupted.
Then Unam, you want Oma to stop looking for my trouble.
Will you just shut up? Have you not been the one looking for trouble? The pot you broke, was it your pot? Have I not asked you to stop copying the nonsense your mother is doing? Why have you allowed her envy and jealousy to be radiating right from the inside of you? I told you stop and you will not listen. Why?
Nam, I know you always talk like this. You always see my mother and I as the bad ones.
Are you not? No, are you not bad? What else have I not told you? No, come back. Come back here. Can you stand before the family deity, the family shrine, and swear that you have not been copying all the nonsense your mother has been doing? Can you? Be very careful. Because if you fail to stop, you have a reason to regret why this man standing here is your father. And you have to be very, very cautious how you relate with these people. Don't allow them to influence you in a bad way, because it won't be good for you.
Unam, you know I don't have their time, but they should stop looking for our trouble.
You are the one looking for our trouble.
You're still talking. You're still talking.
Igwedo, warn that useless daughter of yours to stay away from my daughter. Else, I will deal with both of you and make this hot uncomfortable for you and your daughter.
Is somebody talking? Or some calabash making some kind of very stupid and irritating noise? You're just a calabash. And you're making a wordless kind of sound. Are you mad?
You're trying me.
Oh, bring down your hand.
I said you are
bring
trying.
That.
Hey!
Point at my face. Are you mad?
Don't dare me!
And what will you do?
Oh, what will I do?
What will you do?
Igwedo, don't try me.
What will you do?
Don't try me. Tell her if she tries that nonsense again, I will deal with her, including you.
You are nothing but a she-goat. Oh, I thought they bundled you into this hut to come produce some kind of chin male child. And until now, even a lame male child you have not produced. You still have the mouth to talk. You're nothing but a she-goat with 3 stupid legs. What is it? What is it?
Have you seen what Na is saying? Nam is seeing you and I as the bad ones in this hut. See the 2 of them as the good ones.
Of course.
Don't mind your father. This witch is manipulating him. She has brainwashed him with their stupid and idle talks. But don't worry. I will teach Otwaka why I'm called Igwedo. For now,
Igwedo, you will do nothing. And what if he get me?
Don't try me. Because you're so shameless. Don't try me, because if you do, I will slap you across your face. You stole my husband and still have the mouth to talk. Thief. Idiot.
Igwedo, you will do nothing.
Igwedo, I know you are not going to like my words, but as the man of this house, I must have to speak. Because if I fail to speak, chances are that in the future, somebody will begin to blame me for not speaking. I will speak because I don't want anybody to blame me. You see your daughter Neka, you must have to warn her. Sit her down and talk to her. This constant fight that is always starting from her in this family must have to stop. And have a bigger problem that you are always supporting her.
What are you even talking about?
I'm talking about Neka, your daughter.
So you have not seen what Ego and her daughter are doing to my daughter and I? Haven't you seen it?
What have I done?
You have done everything wrong. Pretender. Stop pretending.
Can you just stop this? Can you stop?
Did you stop her? Did you stop her?
Did she stop?
You always take inside because she's sitting
No!
Stop her!
Neka, your daughter is the topic under discussion here.
So why is not her daughter not to be under discussion? Because she's busy manipulating you. What? She's busy manipulating you. Not on your brain.
You know, is this supposed to be an insult or what? How can you sit before me and you're telling me to my face that somebody's manipulating me?
Why is she sitting by your
No,
side?
who is that person that can manipulate a man like me?
Why are you not sitting by my
Yeah,
side?
Stop.
Are you mad?
You good? You good?
Oma, I have not seen you in this film these few days. What happened?
Nneka broke my water pot, and I'm waiting for my mother to get me a new one.
What? You mean Nneka broke your pot? What did you do to her?
That my sister, she's very troublesome. So I'm just avoiding her.
That is the thing. You keep avoiding her. That is why she keeps treating you the way she is. Yes.
I've fought her so many times, and she keeps looking for my trouble.
You need to stand up and fight her. Eh? Not just that. Blind one of her eyes. Beat her very well. Make sure you blind one of her eyes.
What are you saying? I should blind my sister's eyes? Oh, I cannot do that.
Oh, you cannot do that. Okay. Then she'll be the one to blind your own eyes.
May the gods forbid.
The God will not forbid this one. Because you're allowing this thing to happen. Eh? This time around, she'll blind your two eyes. The way I'm seeing it, I don't know why you're very soft. Eh? Give me this task. Let me handle her very well. Let me
Amaka, thank you.
You good? And Ego, this is going to be a very simple, very, very simple sharing. So we can go back to what we were doing. You good? Look. See that Isheku tree? That tall one. From that tree down to this one you're looking at. It's yours. Use it for anything you like. Ego. From this very tree now, you're looking at. All the way down to the stream. And even across. It's yours.
Mama,
Mama.
it will not work. You see, this is your partial sharing. It will not work. Why don't I be the one to farm from all the way from here down to the stream and across? Why shouldn't it be me?
But I'm just...
Must you always show the world how much you have always hated me? But for this one,
where is the hatred?
it will not work.
Did you see this?
You see you. I'm waiting for you. Rubbish.
What is wrong with that? Ego, did I do anything wrong?
No, my husband, nothing.
Can you even wrong with this woman? Did you see the secretary?
I saw it too, and it's big.
Very tall. I don't understand. Can you even marry a man?
Oh, I didn't. What kept you so long?
Sorry I kept you waiting. I was helping my grandmother to clear the whole farm before coming back. I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
It's fine. It's just that I was missing you.
Well, thank the gods I'm here. Shall we?
Yes. I was waiting for you. I was even thinking you're not coming anymore.
No, you know I can't disappoint my woman.
I know. Why will you do that?
What will you do?
You don't go to the stream without your best friend.
How are you?
I'm fine, DK. How are you?
Greetings. How are you?
Where are you heading?
I want to check my traps.
Okay. Go well.
See you later.
Bye.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
See you later, huh?
Bye-bye. What?
TK is such a strong man. Always doing everything all by himself.
My friend, he should be doing it. So that by the time we get married, he will be helping me in my home.
Has he opened up to you about marriage?
Since he proposed to me and I accepted.
That is beautiful. You two will make a good, lovely family. I love that.
Right?
Yes.
I can't wait to be called his wife.
Lucky
Let's
you.
go.
Lucky you.
And you, your eyes off my man.
No, yeah. You know, Shep. Where are you going? It is my turn today. You don't go there. Don't go. You don't have any turn here. What are you? Say back, go do. Okay, then.
I don't understand, but you don't finish yesterday.
Push turn.
It's my
I
turn
am
today.
the first wife. I should keep having turns and turns and turns until I get tired.
What's going on here?
Nine. I
What
was
is
coming
it?
to come and meet you. I didn't finish yesterday. I was coming to come and be with you. She said no.
I am the first wife. I should keep having turns and turns with you until I get tired. What is it?
Where did I
What
go?
are you
Where
doing?
did I go
Go
wrong?
away.
Yeah? My own father, Olassi, had 7 wives. And they gave him peace all the remaining days of his life. Why can't I have peace with only 2?
It is not your father's time. It is my time. Shift.
Hey,
Hey, what?
Stop.
Hey, what? Why are you doing this?
What's wrong with you?
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
Why are you doing this?
Hey, good.
Hey, what?
Go.
Hey, what?
Hey.
Go where?
Stop.
If you want to use afternoon to go and meet a woman. You're using back to enter. Nene. Go where? I'm not going anywhere. Shameless people! In the afternoon, you people are going into the hot. You say you are in a chair. You not wait for night. When people do it so that children will not see. You're taking useless ego into your hut. Shameless man.
Obin, you said you will come and see my people when you come back from your maternal home. But ever since you got back, you've not said anything.
Just give me a little time. Then I'll come see your people. Have you informed them yet?
No, until you give me a date.
Okay, just let's be patient, okay? Let's just finish this farm season so that I can raise some money and come see your people, okay?
Okay. I just can't wait to be called your wife.
I can't wait to.
Thank you.
What a beautiful maiden. How come I've never set my eyes on her before? Maybe she's not from this kingdom. Dike, you have to set your trap and go after her right now.
Name. DK said he's coming to see my people after this farming season to ask for my hand in marriage.
Hi! You don't say. School Kabiama. Ekenem. Thank you. The gods are about to shame my enemies. You know what? Do not tell this word to anyone, not even your father, until when the time is ripe.
Yes, Inem. I will not tell anybody.
Good. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
My name is DK, son of Amade. This is my first time seeing you in this kingdom. It seems you're not from this kingdom.
I'm from this kingdom. I normally don't go out except I'm going to the stream or the farm. My name is Oma.
Oma, you are such a beautiful maiden, I must say.
Thank you. I need to rush home. My mother wants to use the water.
All right, let's hurry. And I would like to help. I can't watch a pretty maiden
No.
like you stressing yourself when DK is here. I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
I believe this way heads to your hut.
Yes.
Oma, tell me a little about yourself.
Like I said earlier, I'm from this kingdom.
I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Why will I not enjoy a delicious meal prepared by my wife from her own heart? Ukwa. Ukwa with plenty of dry fish. I enjoyed it.
You don't want to say anything.
Thank you, DK. Can I have my pot now?
I would like to escort you to your hut.
No, not today. Thank you. Go well.
Go well. Wait. I would like to see you when the sun sets tomorrow.
Who served you the food you ate?
Do you have a problem with that?
When it was my turn for you to eat my food today, you asked me to cook unji milioko for you.
She prepared
And you
ukwa.
left it while I served it in the hut. You left to come and eat this miserable woman's food.
No! Look at even the way you are saying it. In this center of Hamatan that people are supposed to be eating oil, you had the mind to prepare me a yam with waters, very bitter. And you expect me to eat that?
But that was what you asked me to do.
No, I asked for yam.
See this your hatred for me in this.
What's that? Hey! Come on,
Whoa, what is
Hey,
what is
but
Are you mad? Are you mad? Stop, you're very stupid. You are mad.
Stop. Hey. Look at you.
I think Oma is my wife. She's the perfect one for me.
He's so strong, full of energy, caring, and he's handsome. I think I love him. Yes, I love him.
DK.
Oben, when are we seeing again?
Later this evening.
I can't wait.
I can't wait too.
You know what?
What?
When we get to meet later this evening, I'll sing a song for you.
You know I love to hear you sing.
Nneka, when was the last time you saw DK?
Is anything wrong with him?
Everything is wrong with DK. I saw your DK with your sister, smiling and hugging. They were even doing something. I don't understand.
What? You saw DK with who? Hey! DK, what is the meaning of this? Why do you want to disgrace me in this village? Why?
Nneka, what are you talking about?
And do not pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. What are you doing with my sister Oma?
Oma is your sister?
So it's true. DK, why? Why? Why do you have to do this? Why my own sister? Why?
Nneka, what is wrong with you? Why are you crying?
Name DK is seeing Oma.
What?
Oma has taken my man from me.
It will not work. That will not work. She wants to take your man away from you just the way her mother took your father away from me. It will not work.
No, she has taken my man from me. She has
Walk.
taken
Just
my
hear
man
me.
from me.
Don't cry. Come quickly, come. You have not lost. Why are you crying?
I love your bit.
Thank you, Ben.
A gift from your mother, I guess.
Yes, my mom got me this.
Let me whisper to your ear. I love you.
Me too.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Obim, I need to go check my traps before the day gets old.
Oh.
But I'll see you later.
It's okay.
I'll see you later.
See you later. Bye, Nkem. See you later.
See you later, my love.
What are you doing with my man, DK? So of all the men in this village, you could not pick anyone. It is my man you decide to be with. Now listen to me. You better stay away from him, because the next time I see you with him, now read my lips. I will kill you. Stupid.
Oma,
What?
who is the man Nneka said you snatched from her?
Name, I am not aware they know each other. Talk more of dating each other.
Then ask him if truly he has anything to do with her.
I will do that.
And please, always tell me the truth. If you ask him and he says he has something to do with Nneka, please keep off. I do not want her problem. Either I want her mother's own. Do you understand me? Ask him if he also knows that you are Nneka's sister. If he says yes, please. Please. Do you understand me?
What are you going to do now?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm so confused right now. It seems he loves Oma more than me.
Loves Oma more than you? Nneka. 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 You don't stay in the river and allow soap to blind your eyes. Wake up! What did I say? Wake up and take your man. Yes.
DK, you love my sister.
The truth is, if I ever loved her, I wouldn't have come to you. Besides, I didn't even know that she's your sister. I didn't know. Oma, I didn't know the true meaning of love as a man until you came into my life. Then I realized that every breath that I've been taking seems like it was a waste on me. I love you. It's you that I want. I love you.
So what are you going to do?
I am confused. I am.
What did Dike say in this?
DK said he is in love with me and not my sister.
Then relax. It's yours then. But what? Hmm? But what, Oma? Don't worry, everything's going to be okay. Hmm?
What am I going to do now? Should I let go of Oma and continue with Nneka? No. I never loved Nneka. She has been the one forcing herself on me. Oma is calm, gentle, and beautiful. She carries the glory of a woman behind her. I think she's the perfect woman for me.
Is that not your Dike? Hey, see how they're holding hands, walking lovingly. What is he doing with Oma? Ha! It's all right. What is it? Are you all right? Huh? Are you all right? Come.
I like that young man. He's a young, lovely man. So full of energy. I think I like him.
Mama, you do?
Of course I do.
Hey, Mama, you have eyes for things.
Of course! And that was why I went for your father.
And I guess I took after you. Mama.
No. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
That's good.
Obin, please, don't do this to me. I'm your wife-to-be and not my sister. Please.
Neka, I'm sorry. The truth is that I never knew she's your sister. I didn't know. And I'm deeply in love with her already. I can't turn back the hands of time. I can't.
What? DK, are you saying you never loved me? No, DK, look at me and tell me you never loved me.
Nick, I'm sorry. I need to go check my traps.
DK, wait! DK, wait! Wait, please!
So what are you going to do now?
What do you expect me to do? It's obvious he loves my sister more than me.
Onika, you must fight with your last drop of your blood. Take your man back. Yes.
How?
How?
Okay. I'll be coming to see your people in the next 4 market days. So please tell your father to be ready.
I will. And, Obim, I want to say thank you. Thank you for counting me worthy to be your wife.
Okay. My life will be so incomplete without you in it.
And my life will not be complete without you.
Come here. I love you.
I love you too.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you in it.
Me too.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Good.
Your daughter wants to tell you something important.
Adam, I hope everything is all right.
Yes, Nai.
So what is it?
Nai, DK will be coming to see you with his people in 4 market days.
Come and see me for what?
To ask for my hand in marriage.
Who is Dicky?
DK is the son of Amadi.
Oh! He is indeed a good young man of our land. Very hardworking. Promising young man. He is qualified to be asking for my daughter's hand in marriage. Okay. Go ahead and ask him to bring his people. We will be waiting.
Thank you, Nai.
I can see you are indeed excited.
Yes, Nai.
Okay.
Let's continue what we are doing at the back.
Next 4 market days. Good.
Neka, I heard Oma discussing with your father. telling him that DK will be coming to ask for her hand in marriage in the next 4 market days. Can you imagine that?
Chai. Ne, what do I do?
Don't worry about it. Let's see how it goes. But trust me, the gods will not allow that to happen. It will not happen.
Hi.
Oma, anyone that has a hand in your death will never know peace for inflicting so much pain in our hearts.
Why is she smiling today?
Well, my friend,
Yes.
I just want to let you know that DK will be coming to see my people in the next 2 market days.
Told you I can't wait to see you becoming his wife.
I know. You know what, my friend? Thank you so
You
much.
don't need to thank me.
Oh.
I'm always by your side.
You always
Anytime,
stood by
any
me.
day. Yes,
Oh.
I'm always here.
Thank you. I can't wait to see you on my marriage day.
I'm thinking. Hey,
I'll
you
get
see-
you what you wear.
See, you know it's your first outing. This is, see the one you wear.
Okay.
And this one is for the upside. At
Name.
least to highlight it.
This is beautiful. Chai! Ne, look at this.
I know what I bought.
I know. Name, you are the best.
Always. The gods of our land, they have shamed my enemies.
Yes, so name, they've shamed them.
Nightfall. And for the second outing,
Name.
when the deed is done,
Mm-hmm.
this is the one you're going to come with.
Hey. Hi! Name, look at this. This is beautiful.
See this one.
Yes,
For the upside.
Hey! This is beautiful.
Always.
Name,
Mm.
see your daughter.
Oh!
This is how I'll be walking. Hey, Name. Thank you, Name.
Uneka, do you think this firewood will be enough for our in-laws to cook on that day?
My friend, it will be more than enough.
Yes.
You know we have a lot already in the
A
house.
lot.
So it will be very much enough to cook on that day. And besides, I don't want to stress myself too much.
You don't know.
So that when my husband sees me on that day,
Yes, so
I will be looking so beautiful in his eyes.
exactly.
And you too.
Exactly.
You need to be beautiful on that
to
day.
be looking so beautiful because that day is going to be a wonderful day.
And you know, on that day, if I see any unwanted visitor in my father's house, I will pour hot water on her.
Oma, my friend, wherever you are, avenge your death. Let those who killed you have no peace.
What? Did you hear anything?
Nothing.
Olivier, shame! Look at her. Lele. Oh, mama, no.
Let's
Who knows if you're not the one that killed her?
Exactly.
Bad friend. My friend. That is it. She will know no peace in this village. We will give it to her. I will marry DK and there is nothing anyone can do about it.
I'm behind you.
Let's do it fast. Let's go. Let's go.
Hurry.
Anybody gonna go Muno? Yeah. Today is the day we have been waiting for. The day, Neka, my beautiful daughter, we move in to start living with her husband. A beautiful day indeed.
Exactly.
In line with our tradition, take this cup of wine to the one you have decided willingly to be his wife. Kneel before him and give him this drink. And if he accepts it from your hand, we will know that everything is sealed.
When that pleases your heart.
Not so fast. I am here to take back what is rightfully mine.
No, don't go. She's a ghost.
I am not a ghost.
It's not a ghost. You thought you killed her, but the ghost saved her.
Everyone deserves to know the truth.
May the gods be praised. She's alive.
How are you?
Are you okay?
What happened? Where am I?
Thank you for saving my life. May the gods bless you.
It's But if I may ask, what did you do that made them want to kill you? It's okay. Just calm down. What's your name?
My name is Oma, the daughter of Utuaka from Ohanze Kingdom. Please, I need to find my way home.
You're from Ohanze?
Yes, I am.
You are not strong yet. You need to be fully recovered before you can go back home.
You haven't told me your name. What is your name?
My name is Ebube, son of Ijele. I'm a hunter and an herbalist.
So, you live here all alone?
Your food is ready. Come on, eat.
Thank you so much. You're so kind.
You're welcome. From all you've said, I think it is not safe for you to return home for now, because those who seek to kill you will do everything possible to make sure they kill you.
I know. But because of my mother, I don't want her to die thinking that I'm dead.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Ego. Will you go and see her?
Greetings to you.
Greetings.
Please, I need directions to Twaka's hut.
Right now I'm going to the stream to get water, but I will help you. The directions will be very simple when we get to the village square.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the hut.
Oh, you mean here?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. May the gods blow you wind of good fortune.
You see?
Thank you.
Let me go back to the stream.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Greetings, Sine.
Greetings.
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 I'm looking for Ego.
I am Ego.
Oh, may the gods be praised.
I hope all is well.
Actually, all is not well. My name is Ebube, the son of Ijele. I am from Ohambele. I have a message for you, but it's for your ears alone.
You mean my daughter is alive?
Yes, yes.
My daughter is alive!
She's very much alive.
Please wait for me, let me get my clothes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey! Mom! This is you! Help! Mom! Hey! Good to is fine. Is this you? So I got to see my daughter again. Hey, thank you, God. Everyone,
Ma,
saw.
how is Amaka?
She's fine. She's fine. She's
I
fine.
miss everybody.
Hey. And
Thank you so much, Ebube. Hey!
Oma.
Ni-
Hey! Chim! Hey! Chakwalo. Oma. You mean Nneka did this to you?
Yes, Nne.
Hey! Oh, can see je. Oh, can see je. Nneka is bad, oh. This girl is bad. So this girl did this to you and pretended as if she knows nothing about this. Everyone thought it was a headhunter that took you away. Mother Nneka, Amelia. This girl is wicked. Nkaka is like mother, like daughter. This girl is wicked. Hey! Hey! I would have been childless. Hi.
If it's not the will of the gods for anyone to die, nothing can happen to that person.
Namijie. Ebube nwam. Fact ka ikwu. You just nail it. Thank you very much. How? May the gods be praised. Ebube nwam. Thank you for saving her life. Thank you. Nwam. Oh, Oma nwam. So happy.
Osodi. I cooked okra for you with fish. Hey, go Dimo. Ah, is it paining you? Like, it's paining you? It's hurting you? We're gonna for. It's my turn today. Tomorrow is whose turn? There's no need for turn. Finished. Therefore, you are finished.
Nne, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
As you can see, I am fine.
Sure.
Yes, I'm fine.
Where is Ebube?
Ebube went hunting.
That reminds me. I want to ask you something.
Okay, Mom.
Do Ebube have the intention of marrying you?
No! He has not said anything like that.
Because DK is coming to pay Nneka's bride price.
No! Nneka can't have my man! I am coming back for my man!
It's okay.
Nne.
Don't worry. Don't get upset. I have a plan.
Nne, I am going with you.
And I said, do not worry yourself. Your mother is here with you. I am solidly behind you. I have a plan, okay? Inugo, calm down. I said, don't worry. I am here.
My mother was here. She said, the man, the very reason why my stepsister wanted to kill me is getting married to her.
What do you want to do now?
I'm going back to take what is rightfully mine.
I think your mother has a better plan.
How did you know that?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man, remember?
Let's go.
So you tried to kill your sister so you would be with me? You're evil!
Anyone who attempts or succeeds in killing an innocent one, the punishment shall be banishment.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
And based on what you have done. Okonkwo,
Nine.
take her
I'm sorry.
to the boundary and leave her there.
Nai, I'm sorry. Please, I won't do it again.
And both of you, woe betide you if you ever set your foot in this land again.
Nai, I'm sorry.
Take her away.
No, I'm sorry.
Get out! Move!
Nai, I'm sorry. Nai, I'm sorry. I'm not doing
Thank
it
the
again.
gods you are
Take her
alive.
away!
Thank the gods you are alive.
I'll not do it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nai, please. Nai, please, I'll not do it again. Nai, I'll not do it again. Nai, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Welcome. Nine.
Is she a Madoka? Yeah. It happened right before your eyes.
Exactly.
And in line with the verdict of the gods, we must have to continue.
That is true.
My beautiful daughter, we are back to where we were before everything got destroyed. Today, I am giving you to him as your wife. What the gods have said, no matter how far humans can try, they can never unseal it.
Not at all.
Both of you, I declare you man and wife.